Hi, welcome to Garfin's creation. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do cupcake toppers and the theme is gym. So to start with, I'll be needing some fondant and be adding some xylose powder to it so that it is nice and firm once it's dried. Always knead the fondant well before use so that we do not have cracks on it. Using some corn flour for rolling the fondant. Roll the fondant to around 3 to 4 mm thick so you get a good disc and it does not bend after it's dried. This is a 2 inches round cutter and I'll be cutting 6 of these. I'll be just rolling it round so the rough edges are smoothened up. Place them on a flat tray and let them dry for some time. Now I'll be making the gym equipments that will go on top of the disc. To this black fondant I have added xylose powder and I'm using some corn flour to roll it. Cutting 4 of these round circles for the weight plates. This is the larger size of the cutter. Now I'm taking the next size for the dumbbells. I'll have to cut a set of 2 sizes in these. Use one size smaller and just make a round marking in the center. Making some holes round the circle. I'll be using 2 toothpicks for the dumbbells. I'll be breaking them to a smaller size. I'll be covering the toothpicks with black fondant. Let's assemble the dumbbells like this. I'll be using water to stick the fondant pieces together. Let it dry completely. Now I'll be making the kettlebells. Shape some black fondant into oval shape like so. And now I'll be making the handles for the kettlebells. Using water again to stick the handles. Let these two dry a little bit. I'm using white gel color and a fine brush to write the weights on the equipments. You can also use white edible marker. Once these are ready, we will now assemble the toppers. And now I'll be placing the fondant equipment on the topper base. After placing them on the base, I will let them dry completely so that they do not move. It's always better to prepare your toppers a day ahead before you could place them on the cake or a cupcake so they get enough time to dry out completely. I'll be using an edible print for the last one. These are chocolate cupcakes and I have piped a rosette with chocolate ganache. Chocolate ganache ratio is 2:1, 2 parts of chocolate and 1 part of cream. Our toppers are dried well and I'll be placing them over the cupcakes. This is an edible print. Do press the notification bell so that you do not miss my next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and also do subscribe. Till we meet again in the next video, it's a bye.